Business owners, I need you to know that if you do not adopt AI right now, if you do not know the use cases that are good for you right now, you will fall behind. And today we are going to be showing the use case of social media posts. So, the method in which I create social media posts is actually by just giving a brand board that I created with AI to the chatbot as context and then saying, hey, create a post talking about this, or create a post for this new campaign, or create a post for this new product. And it comes back with something that is on brand, that is tailored to my business, and I can go directly from there and post it. So let's get into that workflow. First of all, my name is David Logan. I have been using AI for about 3 years now, experimenting. You can see many different videos on my channel doing walkthroughs. I am a business owner as well. I am the owner of the Views Agency, a podcast, and of course AI Educate, which you're watching this on. And I have encountered most likely all of the problems or issues that every other business owner has come across, especially solopreneurs, because that's what I've been. I've been a solopreneur. I've been a solopreneur that outsources. So, how can this help me in my marketing? How can this help me in my operations? How can this help me and supercharge my business? That's the question that we're going to be answering today. And I'm going to show you two different ones right now. So right here, this is a generation that I just created for my brand. Now, it doesn't look like much. However, this is very significant. Do you see any misspelling here? Do you see any spacing that's super off that you absolutely cannot use this as a post? So this is way number one, which is have your social media posts be generated by AI. And we're going to deep dive into how I've been able to do this. I've been able to do this in a large part, things like brand boards. I give it a brand board and remembers my brand. And now if I go to a new chat, which we're going to go here, and if I go to a new chat and I give it my brand board, which I have my brand board saved on my computer. So let's paste that in there. And I also did change my brand board a bit. I did not keep it the same way, just straight out of AI, but we're going to say create an Instagram post create a Instagram post with a stopwatch telling business owners that their brand is running out of time. Use a nice visual and title text. And then we're going to press create image and we're going to just go. So now we've just given it context. We've given it our styling that was AI generated. And then we type in a prompt. Create an Instagram post with what? A stopwatch telling business owners that their brand, and this is really loose. So I would definitely go deeper than this. Okay, we're going to do it. We're going to do it after. But I'm going to show you an even better way to go about this so that you can get a very precise output. I'm just letting ChatGPT figure out what it wants to do. So in its thinking, it says your brand is running out of time is going to be the title. I'll use a bold condensed typography, which I said in the typography, condensed bold, and a monochrome color palette to follow the TVA brand guidelines. This is phenomenal. So then it will have a small call to action text, DM rebrand at the bottom, and it's now creating that image. So this is not the most efficient way to use AI. We can get many different images generated at the same time, but this is just an example to showcase that you can create social media posts using AI straight out of ChatGPT and use them and post them. And if you only know the right prompts to use, the right sequences to use, the right context to use, then you'll be able to really channel the power within chatbots just like ChatGPT. Gemini, which we're gonna go to right now. Gemini is coming along pretty nicely. So they've incorporated VO3 into, regular subscribers chatbots, deep research, canvas, and image generation. So this is really an answer towards ChatGPT, but videos are also something that you can use AI for. And I posted a video literally yesterday that was completely AI, and I just used CapCut to edit it, which was free. So check this out.
How did you do it?
3 letters. TVA. Got my black card.
So our post has now completed, and we saw its thinking. We gave it instructions, and this is what it came up with. Can I not go directly to Meta Business Suite and schedule this post to come out literally right now? Like, no changes needed. The stopwatch is good. The numbers even look good on the stopwatch. All of the numbers are proper on the stopwatch. 5, 10, 15. Your brand is running out of time. Look at that. Pristine image. Guess what? Our context looks exactly like that. 3D icon suite. You see that I'm going to show you a better way to do this though. So create a text, I'm going to say, help me plan a post for my upcoming product launch, branding for CEOs. It is a guide teaching CEOs how to simple concepts about branding and cheat codes to make it better within their companies. So now we're going to turn image off and we're going to say, help me plan. This is the first thing that we're going to say, help me plan. Now we're going to go, bam. Let's plan this, ChatGPT. And the reason why this is better is because ChatGPT is now being the one that is thinking of what's coming in this, and it's saying, okay, well, it's actually coming up with a launch post playbook. So I just wanted one post. Give me just one post. Give me just one post. And that was something that was my mistake. I should have definitely given it better instructions and say, I just want one post. Because you do have to be very specific. And the more specific that you are, which is why, we come around with these super long prompts to get what we want. Because the more precise we are, the better products we can get. So I will say that using O3 is like the longer thinking model. Of course, you could use O4 Mini, which is faster. But I use O3 because it seems to give the most consistent good results. So I really like it for that. But it's taking forever right now, honestly. We're just gonna reload that. We're gonna try that again. Give me just one post. But now they're asking for just one post. It seems they want a single piece of content, likely something like a LinkedIn carousel. Okay, I don't really want a carousel, but I just want it to get an image. Okay, cool. So it went ahead and created the image, which I can include a brief copy and design direction for clarity. Let's see what it's about to do, because really I wanted it to give me the text of the post. What was the title going to be? What were the elements going to be? Blah, 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 whatever. And I wanted it to do that, but let's see what it's going to do. All right. So this is the post that I came up with. Now, if I'm being honest, I need to change my brand board because it does have a female professional and I wanted to have more variety. So this is like a post where you could just put it out. I would say it didn't do as well with the formatting, with the spacing of things. I would have probably put the subject over here and maybe the key a little bit bigger right there, but it's still a usable post. Like you wouldn't be able to, you wouldn't get any flack for posting this. No misspellings, anything like that. It does the job. But what I wanted it to do first was, let's just plan it visually. Do not create an image first. That's probably what I said. Should have said. This one might be broken. CEOs spin plates all day. Sales ops funding. But the plate label brand. That one's usually cracked. Wow. This Friday, I'm dropping branding for CEOs, 10 agency tested cheat codes, plug and play templates, read it in a coffee break, see ROI for quarters. Oh, wow. That's a nice post. That's a nice post, I must say. I'm not sure what's going on with this, but we're going to, and that is how you can create Instagram posts within ChatGPT. Their image model is, in my opinion, the best. And if you would like the prompt to be able to create that type of brand board, which it is a prompt sequence, I have it for free for you down in the description. Just click the link that has the name brand board template next to it and you'll get it for free. So just know that there are so many more use cases for your business and we're going to go over those. This is just one, and pay attention because you do not want to get left behind. You do not want your company to be running on, 2 out of 10 power when every other company is running on 9 out of 10 power because they have AI. Like I get so many more things done. Like I scheduled a ton of posts for next month for my business that are all AI. All I did was go to Photoshop and extend the edges because Instagram needs a 4x5 post. So that's all I did. I didn't change anything else. I didn't change the text. And you can see them on my Instagram. Check out my Instagram. And also check out AI Educate's Instagram. But this has been D'Lo Brands, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.